Mathematical problem related to pH. Let us see the problem. What is the pH of 0.05 mole per cubic decimeter sodium hydroxide solution? Here, sodium hydroxide. Solution of sodium hydroxide. Here, concentration is 0.05 mole per cubic decimeter. Sodium hydroxide is a kind of strong base, so it ionizes fully to form sodium ion and hydroxide ion. As this is a strong base, it ionizes fully. It means, suppose 1 mole sodium hydroxide yields 1 mole hydroxide ion. Here 0.05 moles. Sodium hydroxide 0.05 moles per cubic decimeter. Then from sodium hydroxide with this concentration, we will get hydroxide ion 0.05 mole per cubic decimeter. That is, here concentration of hydroxide ion is 0.05 molar, that is mole per liter, that is to say mole per cubic decimeter. We know NaOH is equal to minus log of hydroxide ion concentration. Here concentration of hydroxide ion is 0.05 molar. Putting this value in this equation, we can write minus log of 0.05. This is equal to, we can write 1.3. Again we know pH plus POH is equal to 14. Then pH is equal to 14 minus 1.3. This is equal to 12.7. That is, pH of the solution is 12.7, which is basic in nature. pH value of 0.05 mole per cubic decimeter sodium hydroxide solution. Thanks for watching.